In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Then click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off. If you wish to, you can also go into Tab menu and click on those three dots on the right of a brightness shortcut. Then click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to manage it. And save your changes by hitting done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!